So guys, let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the week on our GBPUSD. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, guys, be it you are new and you've not yet subscribed, guys, make sure you do it to click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, make sure you share, make sure you make your comments, and also, guys, make sure you follow the Telegram channel so you would not miss out on any single update we are going to be dropping for you guys. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Once again, click on the subscribe button to stay updated, like and share. Now, let's take a look at what we will be expecting for the week on our GBP. Now, in order for us to be able to predict what market will be doing for us for the week, right, we need to go out, zoom it out, and see the trend. Now, if you take a look at this right here, you can see that market is a full trend, right? The overall trend on our GBP we are in an uptrend mode. This is the overall trend on GBP we are in an uptrend move. So we have the main trend and we have the current trend. Now let's take a look at the main trend. So this first is a double bottom, which indicates a reversal movement. Because previously market was dropping, so a double bottom was formed, which indicates a reversal movement. The market's pushed up to form an high. Then here comes the pullback, which is an higher low. Market was able to push up one more time again to form a new high, and then here comes an equal higher low. So basically, market was dropped. In the long run, probably if you are a position trader, if you are a position trader, right, you would want to be anticipating for the buy to the upside. That is for the long-term trader, right? If you are looking at it from the long-term perspective, you would want to be anticipating for the buy because markets should push up, right, and go bullish. But right now, market is dropping, right? So if you take a look at it right here, 3 weeks ago, market was able to give us a bearish move. It opened and closed bearish. Last week, right, market was able to 2 weeks ago, market opened and closed bearish. This is last week, market was able to open and close bearish. Now, this week that we are predicting for, we should be expecting some sort of a bearish move, right, on our Euro USD. So, guys, we should be expecting some bearish move this week for the week on our Euro GBP USD and our GBP USD. Now, that should now take us to our daily time frame, guys, right here. So, with this movement right here, market has been dropping, right? Now, that's what market did, right? Since we'll be expecting some bearish move, right? Then we should now see markets push up one more time again. Why am I saying that we'll be expecting this push up? Is that simple? Market has given us a reversal movement. So basically, on this our weekly time frame, it is indicating that market wants to drop, right? But when you zoom it out right here properly, you will see this to be your high, and this will be seen as your higher low. This would also be seen as your higher high. Now, this can also be seen as an equal higher low right here. This is an equal higher low, right? We all know that in the long run, that is why I said for position trader, you would want to be anticipating for the buy for the long term, right? Now, for this week right here, market has given us a double bottom, which indicates a reversal movement. So that is to tell that market has now reversed up and it wants to start pushing up, right? With this double bottom we've gotten, right, the market did market has given us right now. Expect a little bit of a pullback, then another push up. So this is to tell you that a bullish move for the week is what we are going to be expecting on our USD. Now let's take a look at what GBP is do for us. This is a multiple rejection zone. So you can see that market has been failing to break below this zone multiple times. Once market drops to tap this zone, to bounce up, come back again to bounce up. So it has been rejecting from this zone multiple times, right? This is one of the reasons why I push up, right? Now we should expect a pullback and then one more push up again that will play out. So this is to tell you that a bullish move for the week is what we'll be expecting on GBP If there will be any changes to this prediction, I'll make sure I let you guys know. So subscribe in order for you not to miss out on any updates.